Fast corn planting in May ends wet. We'll talk about those in just a moment. Welcome back to Your World in Agriculture for May 28th, 2025. Thanks to our sponsor, Imogene Ingredients. Farm markets on Wednesday. July corn closed 8.5 cents lower at $4.51. July soybeans settled 14 cents lower at $10.48.5. Meal and oil finished lower as well. July wheat closed 1 3/4 cents higher at $5.30 1/4. August live cattle closed $1.12 per hundredweight lower at $208.17. August feeders finished $2.52 lower at $295.62. June lean hogs settled $1.17 higher at $100.27. And if, in case you missed it, the USDA's crop progress report on Monday, it was delayed because of the holiday. Corn, 87% planted now in the U.S. That's 2% higher than the 5-year average. Corn emerged, 67%, also higher than the 5-year average. The corn rating for the first time this season at 68% good to excellent. Soybeans at 76% now planted, up over the 5-year average of 68%. Meanwhile, winter wheat, 50% good to excellent. It's a 2% drop from a week ago. Move now to the cattle on feed report. Now, again, the numbers were tighter here with cattle on feed now at 11.4 million head, and that is lower than last year's total by 2%. Also, placements during April were 1.6 million head, 3% lower than a year ago, and the lowest in 10 years, and perhaps that was the biggest point of the report on Friday, was that the placements dropped below 10-year levels, and the market saw this report as neutral to friendly. Meanwhile, we want to take a look at the Commitment of Traders report that came out on Friday. The funds are getting shorter. The corn market also, there's a record short position in soybean meal. We start off with wheat, though, and again, this is also an area where the managed money is still short this market. They were buyers this past week, but remain short the wheat market. Now here on the corn chart, we're showing you again the money managers are now 103,000 contracts short the corn market. That's down from 364,000 long positions. That was in February. So again, this is a bet that the market is going to go lower. Let's move to soybeans, where the money managers are getting shorter the soybean market. They're still long, but again, as you can see the line here, they're moving toward that neutral position and possibly going short the market. We'll have to see what happens in the next couple of weeks. The lean hog market, money managers are still long, 91,000 contracts. Live cattle also, they're long, 132,500. They were net sellers this past week, but remain long in the live cattle market. Feeder cattle, again, also net buyers and remain long by 34,000 contracts. So there you have it. That's a look at what I'm calling the In Case You Missed It report. Now, I want to take a look at our crop weather going forward. WeatherRisk.com forecasts a dry corn belt for the next 6 days. Now, the 6 to 10 day forecast has rain in it, ranging from 1 to 5 inches. Meanwhile, corn belt weather in the 11 to 15 day looks dry, and then after that, temperatures warm up until mid-June. Cattle, hog, and poultry producers, listen up. If your livestock have scours, Imogene Ingredients sell a product called Pharmatan that stabilizes the digestive process. It can save your animal, increase immunity levels, and improve general health. Decrease your scour cases today by contacting Imogene Ingredients at area code 515-745-1639 or visit ImogeneIngredients.com. Be sure to subscribe and like Your World in Agriculture for more farm content. I'm Mike McGinnis.